Okay, you guys. I didn't want to make it when I was downstairs, but to keep everything warm, that's my corn tortillas. So you guys keep watching this video. You'll see how I warm up my corn tortilla, and this is what I put on the side. Well, with the vegetable, with the white onion, red onion, and cilantro. This is just something on the side. So I got my lime here. You see that? So I'm just showing you guys the plate first. And this right here is my, this is the broth to dip it in. My broth. Well, come from the, oh, it smells really good, you guys. I guarantee. Wow. It smells so good. Um, oh, okay, you guys, I thought I would tape it, but this is the meat. I kept it warm. This right here, I think I showed you the broth. I don't know, but I had it on pause. Like, really? Okay, this is the broth. Yeah, see? This stuff is, when I put this in the bowl, it was steaming hot. This, this go way, and that's the meat. And again, that's the vegetable. Oh, wow. That's my lime. And I got some little fresh garlic. Mm-hmm. Okay. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and make one taco at a time because I'm gonna fold this back up, you guys, because I don't want that to get real cold. Okay. Okay. So I put my meat on first. Mm-hmm. Okay. So now I'm gonna get some of this. Spread it over. Put some on my like that. Okay, that's how it look with the measure. Mm-hmm. Then I'll get some lime. Okay, put some on here. And while I'm doing that, I'm also like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any question. Thumb this video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Alrighty. Whew. I am hungry like Marvin. So what they do, you could just, you guys get the first bite. And see, it's more better when you do that. When you just, don't do it all at once because it will hold together. But there you guys go. You guys get the first bite. You got it. And now what we do is we just dip it. Oh my goodness. Here, you guys can have that bite. Okay. And I'm going to take my bite to see how it is. Let me get y'all over here. Mm-hmm. Wow. Let's dip it. Awesome. That is good, you guys. Wow. Get y'all over here. I would give this a 9.5. Yes, indeed. That is good. Wow. That is good. Bite me a little bite. All right, you guys. Then I got two more. Well, I made three, but I just want to show you how it look and how I eat it. And again, this is my dinner and happy Cinco de Mayo, you guys. All right, bye bye. And again, if you guys want to see how I make this, start right there. Just keep watching this video. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Oh, now that is what I'm drinking on, you guys. I forgot to show that. All right, bye bye. Okay, you guys. So when I was eating it, I didn't show you how it really looked with the taco and stuff, but that's how it looked. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my God, this is so good, good, good. I will definitely buy this again. I guarantee. Yes, yes, yes. All right, I just want to come back to show you guys that, to show you how I look. Because when I was eating it, I just did one. So this is my second one right here. Wow, that looks so good. And look at the corn tortilla. Oh my goodness. I didn't know, even though I didn't do the meat and the broth, but when you put it together, you have to make it look advertising. All right, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next upload video. Bye bye. You guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. I did say I was gonna come back, let y'all see what I'm for my dinner and the breakfast that I had this morning on Saturday. It was very, very awesome. Oh my God! So this is my dinner, you guys. Okay, so this is what I'm cooking, and I got this at Costco. I have never tried this brand, but I will do a taste it, to see if this any good and stuff. But I will rate this at the end of this video when I make my plate. Okay, so yeah, so it does have the seasoned broth with the beef. So this should be very, very good. And this is what I'm using. The white corn tortilla. Okay. And I already cut up my vegetable. Also, it's require cilantro, white onion. And sometimes people put red onion. I love red onion. Then they have like slice of lamb. This is just something that I'm gonna have on the side if I want it more spicy, you guys, because this ain't really spicy. It said mild, but anywho, yeah. So I got me some little chopped fresh garlic. Sometimes people eat this, with tacos and stuff, But I might put me a couple of them on the side. Okay, so this is all the ingredient for that. Okay, so on thing now, this is gonna go real quick because I already got my vegetable all chopped up. All that I had to do to heat this up. And if you buy this package, like I said, we got this at Costco. Yeah, but this is easy dinner, you guys. If you want some fresh fresh this, I recommend. It says you don't want to go out and buy this kind of stuff, you know. You know, you can always, I know Costco have a lot of good food item and stuff, but yeah. But anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and heat up this right here. Okay. So I will see you guys when I make my plate. Okay, you guys, so really I don't have to heat this on the stove. It just say heat it up in the microwave safe bowl. Okay. Well, that's even good. So this is this is the safe bowl right here that came in it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my microwave for 4 minutes. Okay. And then it say rotate 1.5 a turn and punch for a hole. Okay. Yep. And then once to the 4 minute, you hear the microwave going. Then it say rotate the pouch 1/2 a turn, then punch 4 small holes in the pouch and cover with paper towel. Heat another dish for 4 minutes. Open bag carefully and sip it into the server tray. Okay, serve from how I use the beef and taco. And serve the broth separate for dipping. Enjoy. So only thing I have to do is just fry this right here. Kind of fried, kind of like a taco shell. Okay, that's it. So, alrighty. Okay, you guys. Wow, this got a lot of meat in it, you guys. I guarantee. Look at all that meat. Oh my goodness. Wow. Boy, when I taste the meat, oh my goodness. It is seasoned well. Oh my God. Let's see. Taste the broth a little bit. I'm just gonna taste the broth. Okay, I did taste the broth. You know, and I did wash my spoon when I taste the broth. But you know what, you guys? You really don't have to add no season to it. Because it's seasoned, you know. But I wouldn't add, me as a cook, look at that meat. Me as a cook, I wouldn't add no season. Because I'm telling you why, because you're going to add these kind of ingredients to cilantro, onions, red onions, and lime. So lime is salty, so you don't really have to use it. Oh, would I get this again? Absolutely. I'll get this about a 9.5, you guys. I guarantee. This is awesome. Okay? Look at that meat. And the meat is seasoned because it's soaking in, you know, with the broth. Yeah. Oh my God. So that was my review. And I'm going to go ahead and make my taco. It's a lot of meat. Look at all that meat. Wow. And this is what this is. And like I said, it didn't have the onion espresso, but that's okay. I don't really want to have that. You know, come on. They did the hard part. All right. So the next time in this clip, you guys will see me eating the taco. And what I'm gonna do, you guys, I'm gonna take some of the broth, okay, put it in my pan. That's how you fry your tortilla. You use this, okay? All right. So the next clip, I will show you guys how it look. Okay, you guys, got some in my pan. Then this is where you have to dip it. So I'm getting this very hot. When I dip my tacos, I put in some in the pot. Okay, so this is just the broth. Okay. Okay, you see how I'm doing it? I'm just getting like a taco.